When I'm on the go, I take NCTV45 with me.
The Crane Room for your lunch and dinner rendezvous. You'll enjoy their pleasant atmosphere. The Crane Room takes pride in their wide variety menu. Appetizers, sandwiches, soups, salads, entrees, pasta, and the best burgers in town. Newcastle's best selection of domestic, import, and craft beers from around the world, and the Crane Room features a 35-tap draft system. Ask about their daily specials that will please you every time. The Crane Room is located at 3009 Wilmington Road in Neshannock Township. Call 724-656-1553.
Let's talk with Norm.
We're with
Norm Lutton.
Norm, you're the owner of Crazy Car Restoration. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, it's a new company we're opening up. Originally, we was Lutton Auto Repair, and we're adding on a little bit. And we're trying to bring out some custom cars for people somewhere in between the $5,000 and $20,000 range, what people can actually afford today. Anymore, you know, all these cars are so expensive. We're just trying to make ends meet for other people.
That sounds great now.
But I've been fixing cars for over 35 years.
That's great.
So when you have a repair, big or small, call Norm.
Make it Lanigan's Irish Pub, where you'll be amazed with the weekly specials. Pub grub, salads, burgers, sandwiches, Irish specialties, and desserts. Lanigan's has a full bar featuring domestic, craft, and Irish draft beer. You can also book a party at Lanigan's at 126 East Washington Street in downtown Newcastle. As they say at Lanigan's Irish Pub, the best Irish food since Ireland. Call 724-657-3444.
Quiet, relaxing tranquility. That's Bethy's Bakery and Eatery in Volant, Pennsylvania. But you may ask, is it a bakery or is it a restaurant? Bakery, restaurant. Well, they have cakes of every kind. And not only that, they have burgers also, and turnovers, and salads, and donuts, and nachos, and cupcakes, and cream puffs, and just goes on and on. But let's not forget, home of the plate-sized cinnamon roll. Is it a bakery? Is it a restaurant? You decide. Bethy's in Vogue. Dan's Auto Body and Repair. Daniel McClure says we do complete paint jobs using Sherman-Williams Ultra 700. Finer fender benders, no problem. Free estimates, frame straightening, and rust repair. Competitive pricing on bodywork. We waive the deductible. Visit our website for information on insurance myths. We also do collision. Visit dansautobodyrepair.com or 724-657-3647.
It's Butts Flowers when you want a wide variety of flowers for any occasion. They also have a selection of fine gifts and more. Butts Flowers is conveniently located in downtown Newcastle at 120 East Washington Street. Call Butts Flowers at 724-652-7727 or toll free from anywhere, 1-800-443-7726. It's Butts Flowers in downtown Newcastle.
Keep watching NCTV45 for Cook in the Castle. You're going to love it.
Hi, we're with Norm Lutton from Lutton Auto Repair, and this is Gentleman's Monthly, and we're going to talk about some of the work that happens under the hood and even on top of the hood. Norm, how long have you been fixing cars? And we're just going to let you go and tell us a little bit about what you do, how you do it, and how long you've been doing it.
Well, I've been fixing cars approximately 35 years now, maybe a hair longer, I'm not really sure. But my father started this place, and after he passed away 14 years ago, I figured I'd put a little bit more of a twist to the place. And I really enjoy building hot rods more than anything. And we're still fixing cars and everything here at Lutton Auto Repair, but we're starting crazy car restoration, and we're building cars like 69 Chevelles, Trans Ams, Firebirds, Camaros, pretty much anything anybody wants built. I've worked on most cars throughout my life, anywhere from in the 30s all the way up to brand new. And my favorites are in the second generation Trans Ams. But right now we're building a set of heads for a 396. It's going to go into a 69 Chevelle. I'm building the engine for the gentleman, and he's a very valuable customer of mine, and we're really paying close attention to how we build his car this time. And if you'd like to know, we're going to get ready to start putting valves in this head here. The head's already been machined, and all the valve guides are all done. Okay, and all the valve seats got 3-angle valves in them. And all the valves have been ground pre today, and we just go in just like that. That's all we do. We turn around, we put a valve seal on the other side of it, set it right down on there. Okay, and then we flip it back up again. And what we have here is a spring, a retainer, and 2 keepers. And what we do is we go ahead and we put it on this side of the valve, just like such, and then we have what we call a spring compressor, which actually compresses the spring so we can as you can see, it holds the valve on this side, and it allows us to put the keepers on this side with ease. Okay, once we get that done, we flip it back up, let off the tension, and there you have it. The valve spring is installed on it. We tap it with a hammer to make sure that it's solid and it ain't going to come loose. And these valves, as well as the air and the exhaust in and out of your engine, in order for it to breathe properly. Okay, and with that being said, there's 8 valves on each side of the engine on a V8, and we'll be doing this all the way down here with all these. These springs have been tested, and this engine will run over 400 horse. We plan on having it around somewhere in the area of 450 to 500 horse when it's finished. And that's what the customer specifications are. So thank you. And I beat one of these the other day with my other Micronia. And it was built professionally. I dusted him in second gear and he was in 40.
Nice.
My wife was very proud of me. She was right behind me in that blue car outside.
Yeah.
Did you see that one out there?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's my baby.
I see why.
It's sharp.
I hunted that car for 30 years.
Sheesh.
So I found it. Everything we got going on right now is all we can do for right now today.
Thank you so much. This was Norm Lutton, and this was Gentleman's Monthly. Watch again when we have our second segment.
Bill's Bake Shop will make you happy. Bill Cast is the owner, and he and his staff keep the tradition going with all those bakery items that you remember as a kid. Just to name a few items, Bill makes cream sticks, cinnamon rolls, bear claws, cream horns, cannoli, cakes, pies, cookies, bread, pizza, and so much more. Bill's Bake Shop, located at 228 North Liberty Street in the Mahoningtown section of Newcastle, is open Tuesday through Saturday 7 to 5 and Sunday 7 to 2, closed on Monday. Bill's, where smiles are everywhere. Call 724-654-4223.
This is NCTV45. You can watch us anytime on your time.
The Beanery Depot and Deli. Coffee, made-to-order subs, snacks, and more. Meatball sandwiches, fresh and hot. Pepperoni rolls, fish sandwiches, chicken, milkshakes. The Beanery Deli. When you're hungry for something special, and it won't cost you a lot of beans.
2P, Gifts and Thrifts, Many Treasures. Now let's talk with one of the owners. Hi, this is NCTV45, and your name is?
Paula Mandaglio.
Paula, pleased to meet you. Can you tell us a little bit about 2Ps, Gifts and Thrifts?
Absolutely. Our thrifts and gifts. We do high-end thrift items, personalized gifts, and repurposed furniture.
We're going to catch up with Peggy.
Sure.
Is?
Peggy Cousins.
And can you tell us a little bit about thrifts and gifts? 2P. You have giftware.
Uh-huh.
And I see the kids' clothes.
Mm-hmm.
You're a mini department store.
Correct.
There you go. Well,
we have something for everyone.
2P, Gifts and Thrifts.
It's Little Johnny's Pizza 2 in downtown Newcastle with a great variety menu that you will tell everybody about. Chris Quiera, the owner, is here with more information.
Stop down and see us at Little Johnny's 2. We're located at 130 East Washington Street, or give us a call at 724-657-2210.
Talk about convenient. Located just off the 422 bypass on Center Avenue, Kaito's Restaurant, Catering, and Banquet Center is perfect for parties or business meetings. Spacious and contemporary, they feature large portions at low prices. Make Kaito's your choice. Call 724-535-3530. McCree Sports, 835 Moravia Street, wants you to be on top of your game. Go to McCree Sports for all your sporting needs. You can call them at 724-654-6065. McCree Sports. They'll make you shine.
Whether it's a scheduled appointment or same-day service, DiCaprio Carpet Cleaning offers 24/7 service for commercial, industrial, and residential, as well as fire and water damage restoration. Using state-of-the-art technology, DiCaprio Carpet Cleaning experts are ready to professionally clean your carpet today. Call DiCaprio Carpet Cleaning for a free in-home estimate. Thank you for making us Lawrence and Mercer County's largest carpet cleaner.